To fix the issue of WhatsApp status not showing, you can try the following steps. Number 1. Update WhatsApp. Ensure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. Outdated versions may have bugs or compatibility issues that can prevent status updates from appearing. Number 2. Check privacy settings. Verify that your privacy settings allow your contacts to view your status. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Account and choose Privacy. Make sure that status is set to My Contacts or Everyone if you want your status to be visible to all. Number 3. Check contact settings. Confirm that the contacts whose statuses you want to see are added to your contact list and have not been blocked or deleted accidentally. Open WhatsApp, go to the Chats tab and check if the contacts in question appear in your chat list. Number 4. Clear cache. Clear the cache of your WhatsApp app. This can help resolve temporary glitches and refresh the app's data. Go to your device settings. Find the WhatsApp app and clear its cache. Number 5. Restart app and device. Close the WhatsApp app completely and restart it. If the problem persists, try restarting your device as well. This can help refresh the app's functionality. Number 6. Reinstall WhatsApp. Both solutions work. Uninstall WhatsApp from your device, then reinstall it from the official App Store. This can fix any corrupted files or settings causing the status not to show. Number 7. Contact WhatsApp support. If the issue persists, reach out to WhatsApp support directly. They can provide further assistance and troubleshoot the problem specific to your device and account. Remember to back up your chats before reinstalling WhatsApp, as uninstalling the app will delete your chat history.